Finally, to the esteemed author, Mr. A.T. Satha Ananthan, he holds the distinction of being the first person in Australia to write about supermarkets. Also the first person in the world who worked in supermarkets and wrote a book about supermarkets. Please welcome him.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear fellow Australians, welcome to the green and white decoration. This is symbolizing a new beginning with growth as many hearts desire. Anyone from the retail background has a valuable experience in communications. Today, I'm going to perform the same job here, but with a slight twist. I will be discussing just one product with no aisles. The difference is this single product will encompass information about many products. Now, do we know what is that? Yes. This little book tried to answer an important question for every household and every nation around the world. Not only does this book talk about the most important question for most people, but also aim to motivate us. Let's begin our true story as an example. We take great pride being Australians. We are not a country grappling with unemployment, homelessness, or regular crimes. We are not a nation that's struggling for gas, fuel, etc. Here, we can compare with the great developed countries with Australia. Of course, Australians are proud to steady improvement in most aspects in life, even during the pandemic, where Australia stood out of the globally. Unfortunately, since last couple of years, especially in 2022, we have been discussing an interest rate rise, recession, and the rise in the cost of living. Two common questions arise for everyone, every business, and every country. How to increase the income, how to control the expenditure. Now, let's focus on expenditure. As we know, we have three different types of basic or major expenses all individuals have. First, either rent or mortgage. Second is clothing. The third is food, including groceries. In the modern world, some people might want to add transportation, but considering the ability to order many things online, I'm ignoring transportation here. Here, each and every person has the opportunity to choose from a variety of products in the best prices from great supermarkets. Our business leaders, managers, and teams work hard to provide a better shopping environment for everyone. However, sometimes these efforts do not reach some loyal customers. For example, some promotions are considered as marketing trick by the general public. Sometimes we are scared to see a special ticket and we stay away from that. Therefore, I decided to clearly express these ideas in writing and explaining how to save money from them. Always, I'm willing to help and save the people. This has come up my mind. We need motivation and some knowledge to gain confidence. The result is this book. I like the praise from the people, for the people, of the people, but especially like the fresh food people. Thank you, fresh food people. Thank you, everyone again, and all the support and inspiration. This book is not just my work, it's everyone's work. Also, it's belong to everyone. I want to extend my thanks to all of you. I haven't mentioned everyone's names in my book. I haven't mentioned everyone's name in this speech. But my heart is full of gratitude to all of you. I will never forget you all, and thank you again. I wish you all the great life. Be positive, be motivated, and save money. Thank you, Australia. God bless you, Australia. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your wonderful speech.